I am back in my kitchen yet again, and I am making something from back in the day that I haven't made since I was about 10 years old. I was thinking of something that I could add to my hampers that I'm giving away, and I can always add a savoury biscuit or something like that, but I thought a sweet treat would be quite nice. I've decided to make some peppermint creams. So what I've got at the moment, so we are doing this together, by the way. I haven't made these for a long time, so if they go wrong, they are going wrong. So what I've got here is obviously the sieved icing sugar. Little trick, if you've got an extractor fan, place your bowl and icing sugar under the extractor fan, turn it on, and wait and sieve the flour underneath. It will reduce the amount of mess that will go around. Problem with icing sugar. So what we're going to do is, I've got my egg white here. I'm going to pour a little bit of the egg white in and mix that round. And what we're going to do is gradually put it in until we get like a dough-like texture. So before we add the rest of the egg white, I'm going to add my food colouring. I don't know how dark this is going to be, so we're guessing. There we are. Lovely. Ugh. I'm going to give that a mix. So we've got our extract on, and we're going to add, obviously, a bit more icing sugar. You see what I mean? Even just tipping the icing sugar. I'm going to go for another 50, 60 grams in there. Give that a quick sieve. I see, look, straight up into the extract instead of on the kitchen side. Alright, so as I said, we're doing this together. I haven't done this for a while, so definitely a little less egg white. Alright, pop that down a minute. Alright, turn this off. Alright, we're just going to stir in. Yeah, I think that was probably about 60, maybe 70 extra grams of icing sugar. And yeah, that's definitely, now we've got the dough form definitely going on here. Alright, let's get a knife in there. That's a fork. Knife. Alright, scrape this off. See, look, we want it a little bit, or a little bit thicker than that, almost like a sort of pastry consistency. I think we might need a little bit more, so I reckon another 50 grams. Oh, right. Extract. Get our icing sugar. Right, we're going to try that. Right, so we have our dough-like mixture. What we're going to do is we're going to divide that into 20, well, about 20 balls, and place them on our baking tray. Right. Get a couple of spoons for that, I think. Yeah, there we are. As long as you can do this, then your mixture is okay. So if we place our balls onto our baking tray, Alright, this is actually quite the boring part. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue with my balls. And once I've got them done, I will be back. And we hopefully shall be dipping them in chocolate. Fingers crossed. And I'll be back with you in a bit.